Not all AI is built the same, and on Amazon, using the wrong one can actually hurt you. There's a real risk that most sellers don't see coming, but the good news is there's a way to use AI without destroying your listing. AI tools are everywhere right now. ChatGPT, Claude, everyone's using them for everything. And look, we get it. Here at Data Dive, we use AI too. And that's exactly what this video is going to cover. I'm Lauren Corrett, Customer Success Lead here at Data Dive, and I get to speak with some of our 10,000 plus users on a daily basis. Here's the way I'd summarize our AI and how it's utilized best within our AI copywriter feature. Let's dive in. So the big question we're answering today is, what is Data Dive's AI copywriter actually doing under the hood? Can you trust it? And more importantly, should you even be using it on your current listing? We'll get to that in a few minutes. Here's what's actually happening. When you run AI copywriter, it's not pulling from the internet or creating generic copy. It's starting from your master keyword list, your data. It looks at what's already been placed in your title, finds the keywords with the highest search volume, and builds from there. But it doesn't just stop there. It's optimized for Cosmo and Rufus, Amazon's own AI systems. Rufus handles conversational recommendations. Cosmo determines whether your listing is even eligible to rank. So the copy it writes isn't just readable, it's built to satisfy both keyword coverage and real shopper intent at the same time. Can you trust it? In short, the answer is yes, but with one thing to consider, and it's an important one, but we'll get to that in just a second. The AI gets you about 90% of the way there. It's a data-driven jumpstart, not a finished product. You're still the last set of eyes before anything goes live. Give it your finishing touch, make it sound like you. Include things like your brand name or features that make your product stand out. And then you're good to go. Here's the one major thing I want you to consider that I mentioned before. And this part really matters, especially if you have an existing listing. Do not rewrite your entire listing all at once. I'll say that again. Do not redo everything at one time. When you make sweeping changes, Amazon has to reread your entire listing, and while it does that, it de-indexes everything you're already ranking for. But here's the good thing. It doesn't have to go that way. If you've got a brand new listing, go for it. Run the whole thing. If your listing is already live and selling, take it one keyword at a time. Make a small change, see how it performs, and then go back for more. AI isn't going anywhere, and neither is the competition using it. The difference is whether yours is built on Amazon's own systems or just guessing. Data Dive's AI copywriter is grounded in real data, optimized for Rufus and Cosmo, and designed to protect your rankings. But the best part, you bring the finishing touch. That's the combination that wins. Try it yourself. The link is below.